Today I'm sharing a super quick and easy pakora recipe. Some also call it onion bhaji. It's crispy, crunchy and will go perfectly with your favorite dip. So do give it a go. I hope you enjoy them. And hey, if this is your first time and you like what you see, check out the other delicious recipes on the channel, and I have new uploads all the time, so consider subscribing. Also check out my Instagram @Anisagrams for lots more. Okay, so the ingredients that you will need is chickpea flour, also known as besan or gram flour. We've got rice flour, fenugreek, dry fenugreek, cumin and coriander powder, fennel seeds, red chili powder, turmeric powder, some water, salt to taste, chopped garlic, some onions and fresh coriander leaves. And I'm going to list the exact amounts in the description box below. So we've got our onions here, and all we're going to be doing is we're just going to be slicing these up. And let me show you how thick we need to slice them. Like this. Okay, so I've sliced these up, and now we're just going to put them all in a bowl. And it's really easy because what we're going to be doing is we're going to be adding all the ingredients into this bowl. Now in goes the rest of the ingredients. So the chili powder, and you can add more or less depending on how spicy you want it. And also turmeric powder as well. Fennel seeds, dry fenugreek, coriander and cumin powder, and I've mixed that together. I've got about 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic, rice flour, and the chickpea flour, and we're just going to chop up the fresh coriander, and just sprinkle that over. And also we're going to be adding salt as well. And again, once you've made the mixture, just taste, give it a taste, and if you need to add a bit more salt then you can. So I've got about ½ a teaspoon here. And then all you need to do is just get some water, and then we've got some water, and we're just going to make our mixture. Now the mixture, we don't want it to be too runny and we don't want it to be too thick either. So we're just going to add the water bit by bit. And also you don't want to make the mixture too loose either, because what will happen, it will all fall apart at the time of frying. Just going to add a little bit more. Okay, so the mixture, guys, should be like this. So when you hold it in your hand, you should be able to hold it together. So now what we're going to do is I've already preheated the oil. We're going to be deep frying these. So let's take this over there. Okay guys, so now what I've done is I've just gathered some of the mixture in my hand. I'm not going to be making really big pakoras, so they're just like a medium size. And then all we're going to be doing is we're just going to be dropping them in very slowly, like this. And you have to make sure that your oil is hot. So let's just fill this up. We don't want to overcrowd the pan either. Now we're going to fry these until they are nice and golden, and they're going to be really nice and crunchy and crispy as well. So once they've been frying for about a minute on one side, we're just going to turn these over so they can fry evenly all the way around. And they do hold their shape, guys. You can see, look, that they're not falling apart either. These are looking really nice and crunchy now. They're done. So I'm just going to take these out. I'm just going to finish off with the rest of them, and then we're going to serve them with some delicious chutney. There you go, guys. I really hope you enjoyed and love making it as much as we do. Plenty more recipes, so do subscribe and don't forget to check out my Instagram for behind the scenes. Thanks for watching and see you next time.